Claude Code is creating one-person businesses that are earning 6 to 7 figures in revenue. Why are you not one of those businesses? In this video, I'm going to do what no one else has done on YouTube and give the exact blueprint to be successful in AI business with Claude Code. This is not a get-rich-quick thing. This is smart work paired with unprecedented time in technological history. Before I talk about my new client who spends $5 million a month on expenses and how I'm using Claude Code to save him at least 50% of that, which would be an amazing ROI for my team, but even more for his, you need to understand to get to this point, you have to master AGI. Artificial General Intelligence. This is the next level up from AI. Transparently, you've probably seen the OpenClaw hype, where a literal AI assistant can run your entire email inbox for you, follow up with leads via iMessage, run AI UGC campaigns for marketing. Before, you'd spend hours to set up a 30-node end-to-end system that did just a fraction of what OpenClaw can do. Because end-to-end isn't intelligent. You're still telling it what to do. It just uses AI for a portion of that period to be a little bit smarter. AGI is different. In fact, so much so, the head of security at Meta got her entire email inbox deleted by her OpenClaw agent. AGI can sometimes be too powerful, but if used correctly, it can create a billion-dollar one-person business, as Sam Altman said. It's his words, not mine. And to create these hyper-intelligent AI systems, there's no better tool than Claude Code. That's why my recent videos have been doing so well, because I've been revealing all the sauce behind Claude Code and how to use it to maximize your earning potential and your AI business potential. I made a video that 9,000 of you and counting saw where I built a $25,000 AI ad duplication system using Claude Code. It took under 24 hours to build the MVP and I documented it in that video. And now the version you saw on YouTube and the production version that I actually gave to the client were a bit different, I have to admit, but not by much. I spent maybe 2 or 3 more days of Claude Code work. And I'm even allowing the AI business owners I work with one-on-one to duplicate the production version of my AI ad duplication system, and they can white label it and sell it to their own customers. Now, $25,000 for anyone is by no means a little bit of money, but there's always bigger fish to fry. I recently began working with one of the largest home building companies, which I talked about earlier in this video. This is obviously a high LTV client, which stands for lifetime value. I expect our first deal to turn to many more because I'm a software engineer by trade. Building AI systems for top companies is a cakewalk. I used to have to do no vibe coding because I worked at a fintech company, which was super particular about how to code and cannot use AI because of data and security. So I couldn't. But now I'm rebuilding out this company's entire operations with an AI operating system. $120,000 a year marketing director, replaced. An $80,000 a year financial analyst, replaced. A $50,000 a year assistant that you probably love so much you would hate to let them go if they were no longer needed. I'm still going to replace them with an AI employee. Now, how does building any one of these employees even look like? Let's replace your $50,000 a year assistant with Claude Code. If you set up Claude Code with the Google Workspace CLI, Claude Code will now have access to your company's entire Google suite. This means it can manage your inbox, calendar, Google Documents, Excel sheets, everything. Or I guess it's Google Sheets. Your assistant's main duties are to grab your coffee, reply to your emails, handle your day's tasks, update you on your meetings, your calendar, and to go over any important documents. Claude Code can now do all of that, and you can run it on a schedule so it does this every single day. So do you need an assistant anymore? No. And if you do, it's because you're cheating on your wife, which then even Claude Code can't save you. I would tell you how to replace a marketing director and the financial analyst, but I can't give all the sauce on YouTube now, can I? I have an inner circle where I help people build and distribute the AI business one-on-one. You can check the details in the description. Now, the big thing is, yes, building is a big part of any AI business, but distribution is king. And I'm about to fix the problem that most businesses have, because here's what most people in this space get completely wrong. And honestly, this is where I see even technically strong engineers leave money on the table every single day. They build incredible systems. I mean, you can Claude Code to build these very powerful AI agents and AI employees, and they can do enterprise-grade, genuinely impressive work. But then they go silent. Yeah, you built it, but no sales. Why? No content, no distribution, no presence, and they wonder why deals aren't coming in. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The person who understands how to package and distribute their work will always out-earn the person who just builds and builds and builds, always, because building is one thing. To actually get a sale, you have to be able to distribute. So the question becomes, how do you get enterprise clients to find you, trust you, and pay you before you even get on a call with them? How can you establish that connection? Because you might be able to build, but again, if you can't get in front of their faces, there's no way you can sell to them. The answer is multiple media marketing. Now, a great example of that is content marketing. Of course, content marketing requires, creating videos and maybe Instagram and TikTok. There's other marketing methods as well. But the thing is, even with content marketing, most people treat content marketing like it's optional. I'm not gonna sit there and create Instagram and TikToks. Maybe if I have free time, I'll hire someone to do so. But if you're selling AI systems to enterprises, C-suites, operation directors, founders running $5 million operations, your content is your credibility before the first email gets even opened. And again, it doesn't have to be Instagram or TikTok, it can be LinkedIn, it can be X, it can be Reddit, some sort of way to document your work publicly. Think about it this way. When my $5 million a month client found me, first he did was not send me a contract. The first thing he did was watch my videos. That's how he found me. If he never saw me build, if he never saw me solve problems live, if he never saw me talk about business in a way that made sense to someone at his level, we would never have connected. And that's literally what closed the deal before I even knew he existed. He found me first. And again, I understand if you are a founder or you're someone who's just starting your business out or trying to scale it, you don't want to be the person in front of the camera because maybe you're camera shy or you work a job, but you don't want your company knowing that you're making these, dancing on TikTok, whatever. You can always hire someone. But there's an even better way. And here's how to create an AI employee for content marketing using Claude Code. And yes, we are using a tool called Remotion for this. This is not sponsored, by the way. Remotion is a React-based framework that lets you programmatically create videos using code. Think of it like being able to script out an entire video production pipeline with just a prompt. You can generate short-form video content like data breakdowns, product demos that are going viral on X, explainer clips, completely programmatic. So here's the workflow. You prompt Claude Code to spin up a Remotion project. You give it your brand colors, your fonts, your assets, your content pillars. Claude Code scaffolds the entire component library to then use it for your future videos. Then you build an agent that pulls from a content calendar, which Claude Code also generates and manages. Maybe it's a Google Calendar or Notion table. It writes a short script using your voice, renders it into a 60-second reel using Remotion, and then posts it to your LinkedIn or Instagram on a schedule. We're talking a full content engine built once, running forever. In fact, this AI content manager I'm literally offering right now to enterprises. And speaking about enterprises, how do you even run content marketing for them? Because you're not posting tutorials for beginners. What you're doing is you're posting case studies, results, numbers, how you replace a $120,000 a year marketing director with a system you built in a week. That's your content. And when the CMO of a $50 million company sees that on their LinkedIn feed, they're not scrolling past it because they want to see that content AI employee in their infrastructure. They want to be able to use it themselves. In fact, if you're a CEO watching this right now, you're probably going to want to email me to potentially get in touch and see how I can add my AI employees into your business. But as an AI business owner who's trying to scale his business, what are you doing? You're posting videos about how you create end-to-end flows, you're sharing it on LinkedIn, sharing it on X. Man, an executive wants to see, here's a problem that cost my peer $250,000 a year. Here is an AI system that solved it. Here's how long it took to build. Here's the ROI. They honestly don't even care what tool you use. They just care about, do the results come in? And that's it, that's the content. You package your client work, you anonymize it where needed, and you post it like clockwork on platforms like LinkedIn or X. Your content should feel like a business case study, not a coding tutorial or try to get a viral scheme. Once you have a lot of people interested in your services or your product, let's talk proposals, because this is where most deals die. If the proposal is written wrong, no matter how good you've been up to this point, how much you've used Claude Code successfully, everything can fall apart right here. I've seen proposals where people say, here are our services and here's a number at the bottom. This is how much you gotta pay. And the clients who get the proposal, they automatically feel like you're unprofessional and they ditch you. I've seen developers send Word documents with bullet points as proposals for 6-figure projects. This is not how you close a CFO of a company. Here's how I build proposals using Claude Code, and it has completely changed my close rate. Because how many companies, if you're an executive, be honest, how many proposals are getting sent to you like this and how many are just boring Word docs? This catches your eye. If you want to build a successful proposal like this, follow these steps. Before I even build anything, I do one 30 to 45 minute call. I go in with a prepared set of questions that Claude Code drafted for me based on the client's industry after scraping their website. Not generic questions, but actual industry-based questions. What does a current lead to contract pipeline look like? Where does it break down? What does a bad month cost you operationally versus a good month? You are mining for pain, real quantifiable pain. And I record all these meetings and I use my Google Workspace, which automatically transcribes the meeting. Once I get the transcription of the meeting, what I do is I copy it and I paste it in Claude Code with a prompt that says, extract the top 3 operational inefficiencies quantify the cost of each one based on what was shared, and map each one to potential AI system I can build. I bring all this in plan mode within my Claude Code, because this is basically like your super senior advisor who can help you plan a amazing product that you can then give to the clients. But obviously, before you actually build the product, you have a proposal that's attached to it, and you can just copy the plan mode details of Claude Code and put that as a proposal. Now, I'll be lying if I said I just use Claude Code for this part. Sometimes I do use regular base Claude with the Sonnet 4.6 model. And one thing I will always tell it is to, hey, make sure you include an executive summary of 2 paragraphs, what the problem costs them and what you're going to do about it. Also propose AI system, specific name system, not just, AI automation solution, but I mean like, hey, this is an AI powered employee that can review contracts. It is a routing agent that reduces your legal review cycle from 14 days to 48 hours. And I also like to attach an ROI projection to it as well. But to get like some super cool proposal like this, which is a .html file, what I do is I'll put everything back in the Claude Code and have it generate a nice 1-pager that is a very beautiful proposal that I can then give to the client. And again, they're not really used to this because these millennials are more used to like Word document proposals, PDFs. This is fancy. But this also shows that you know what you're talking about. The single biggest thing that separates a $5,000 proposal from a $120,000 proposal is specificity. Anyone can say we automate your operations. But when you say, based on what you share, your current onboarding process costs approximately $4,200 per hire in manual hours, and an estimated 18% of new employees churn in 1 year due to a disjointed onboarding experience. We are building an AI onboarding system that cuts that cost by 60% and reduces early churn through automated personalized touch points. Yeah, wasn't that amazing? Like if I heard that, I would automatically think I'm talking to the Albert Einstein of AI. This is the language of enterprises. This is what they need to see. This is what they have to understand about how you're about to affect your budget. And this is how you close clients. And you can run all this with Claude Code. And of course, you will build all of this with Claude Code. And what you just promised, you can deliver within a week using Claude Code. Now, as your business scales, you outgrow yourself. One person can only manage so many client systems at once. And the real ceiling breaker, what actually gets you from 6 figures to 7, is when you stop being the only builder and start being the architect of a team. I have to hire a team. Yeah, I know you don't want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a year on hiring some talent that might not even stay for more than 3 to 6 months in your company. Well, this is where you use Claude Code to create an AI augmented team where every human on your roster is operating at 3 to 5x the output of what a traditional hire will give you. So it's like each of your employees has their own mini team that they're just managing. And if you're a one-person business, a single developer with Claude Code today can do what a team of 4 was doing 2 years ago. That's not hype, that's just the reality of the tool does. So whether you have a team or you're just a solo founder or maybe you're a co-founder, the more people you are well-versed in Claude Code, the more people who can build mini sub-agents that act as new employee hires for like 10% of the cost of what a real employee would cost. Not even 10%. Literally a $200 a month pod max plan. In fact, my business currently looks like this. I have a business development person who does outreach, and their prospecting workflow is fully built in Claude Code. It pulls from LinkedIn, personalizes cold emails based on the prospect's company financials and recent news, and tracks follow-ups automatically. Then I'll have a content marketer who just handles all the mini Claude Code agents building guides, lead magnets, as well as video ideas and scripts. And then I have a manual editor because I don't think Claude Code is that good at editing entire video just yet. When you structure a team like this with humans at the top and a bunch of AI employees under, the margins are disgusting in a good way. Let's talk examples. Here's how a $500,000 a year business looks like with AI employees. You have 4 enterprise clients. One is paying $7.5 to $12.5K with a monthly retainer for ongoing AI system management and builds. That's $30,000 to $48,000 a month of recurring revenue across 4 clients. Your cost structure, 1 developer at $3,000 a month because building is easy nowadays with Claude Code. 1 CS manager at $3,000 a month, 1 BDR at $1,000 a month plus commission, then Claude Code API cost for the whole operation, maybe $1,000 a month max, considering multiple people have the Claude Max plan. Your net margin is somewhere between 70 and 80% profit. And that's what a lean AI company built with Claude Code looks like in 2026. So what's stopping you? In fact, I know some of you are watching this and you know you can build AI employees. You have the skill, you understand the technology, probably better than half the people charging enterprise rates right now. But the only thing between you and a 7-figure client roster is execution. You're stuck in a learning loop. You watch more and more Claude videos on YouTube just like this, but you're not actually applying that knowledge. Where's your offer? Where's the content that's working for you? Where's your proposals? Where are your clients? Where is your AI team? If you want to work with me one-on-one, join the Agent Rise program where I've helped 180 plus founders scale their AI business to 6 to 7 figures in valuation. If you want to see me build a $25,000 AI ad duplication system I mentioned in the start of this video live, watch this video next.